Hello everyone, today I will review the Ehomful Spy Camera Wi-Fi. In this video I will talk about the advantages of this camera. 1. World's smallest Wi-Fi spy camera at a coin size, dedicated craftsmanship and excellent texture, with the functions of Wi-Fi live stream video, taking photos, motion detection and night vision, high quality and guaranteed 960p portable hidden camera with built-in magnet, supports micro SD card up to 64GB. It can be used wired or wireless, that you have the most flexibility for your case use. 2. Built-in magnet for easy to mount. A built-in magnet allows the wireless spy camera to be attached on metal surfaces. This combined with its 1-inch size makes it ideal to attach to bike, car or skateboard on the road, or you can mount it on a desk shelf, fridge door and any fixed place you want. 3. Remotely control Wi-Fi live stream via iOS, Android app. This camera connects directly to your Wi-Fi router without the need of a computer. Simply download the free app to your smartphone in minutes and you are ready to start watching. The wireless spy camera with Wi-Fi and IR night vision provide you a clear video recording at night in 15 feet distance. You can switch manually to night vision when it's in low light. 4. Motion detection with alert push security cam, highly sensitive and wide-angle sensor for small camera. Motion activated will make sure all triggered activities or movements in your notice. Alarm notifications will be pushed to your cell phone, and will snapshot photos on app. Instant alarm picture will be sent via email. All motion video clips will be recorded on an external micro SD card. 5. Your creative using idea to utilize. This Wi-Fi camera makes it easy to watch your kids, elderly parents, or pets wirelessly on your smartphone anytime and anywhere. It can provide you access to have a look at your pet when you leave it at home. Also, it's awesome to set up as a nanny camera to take care of your children. With loop recording function, the camera can automatically tape over old footage. Let me know in the comments down below what kind of video you would like to see next. Enjoy watching. Bye.